I'm going to teach you the most specialized kick counter in point fighting. It's offensively so rare because not a lot of people can do it properly, and there's only one scenario where you can do it well. Let's learn how to back leg counter. Have you ever tried to track someone down with your leg but not be able to reach them when they circle to your front? You have three options. The first is to continue to track and potentially chase someone around the ring. Option 2 would be to cut the ring off, and then depending on how close you are, you either kick or you throw your hands. But the negative to that would be the moment your leg goes down, your opponent can get you.
Option 3 is the back leg counter, which solves both of these issues.
People tend to not use this because it opens up your chest, which is your point area, and also utilizes your back leg, which is your non-dominant and typically not as fast. You could train your speed. The chest opening, however, is always going to happen. The solution is to find the right timing so you don't get tagged in the middle of the move. The moment your opponent starts to step to your front, you drop your front leg down, switching to your back leg round, catching them at around 15 degrees mid-step. This most often works when you're pushing your kicks forwards. Your opponent will most likely go backwards, but there's only so far they can go. So the moment they step to your front is the moment you throw this counter. We don't always have training partners, so let me show you how you would do it on the bag. You want to position yourself so the bag is around 15 degrees towards your front. That way, when you throw the slip side kick, you're just missing, so you can throw that back leg round. You're positioning the bag as though the person has already moved. A key here is to dial in a seamless and fast transition between the front leg dropping and the back leg coming up. So that means you need to work on your weight distribution and your balance. We hope this helped. Let us know if you learned something new. And don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
and we'll see you next time. Bye.